Ready to learn how to sell blank notebook journals using Canva AI without needing Amazon KDP? So here at Godlywood Girl, a lot of you girls may have heard me talk about how I'm transitioning to writing Christian romance novels. And in doing so, I have become a stationery girly again. I love stationery. I love notebook journals. I love blank notebook journals, bullet journals. I love prompt journals. I love it all. And so it dawned on me, why don't I sell my own stationery? And so I'm getting into the stationery business. Be on the lookout, my fellow Christian romance artists, novelists. I got some stuff coming for you. But so I wanted to create a video showing you how to do this yourself. As an author, you can sell your own stationery. You can get into the stationery business, and it doesn't have to be printed stationery. A lot of what I'm going to offer will be digital printables. You can do printable stationery as well, and it's so doable. I'm so excited to show this to you. Step number 1 for how to sell blank notebook journals with Canva AI without using Amazon KDP is to find your niche. Find your niche. You guys have heard me say this 1,000 times on this channel. As authors, we're not just writers, right? We are business owners who sell a solution to a problem. We're not going to be able to make sales otherwise. You gotta just always have that CEO mindset on that. How is this going to solve a specific problem? And the problem you're solving is your niche. I know there are people who have all these fancy terms for what a niche is, a segment of the population with shared characteristics. That doesn't really matter. Honestly, the characteristics, and I've been doing this since 2009, the characteristics do not matter. What matters is that they have the same problem. That's what really matters, is that you're building a business that solves a specific problem. We'll go to Starbucks for coffee, we'll go to McDonald's for junk food. I said it, junk food. You want to make sure you are known for the solution to a problem. That's the niche. We can't build a stationery business without that niche.
One of my favorite places to look for stationery ideas is Etsy.com. It lets you do free market research, but please note you should never ever copy, because everybody's stuff on Etsy, everybody's stuff that they create, period, is copyrighted content. So never copy somebody. We're just looking for what is currently doing well. So over here, you see where it says search anything. You're going to go ahead and type in your niche, stationery for authors. Hit enter. So you see how it has all of these categories up here? Right over here where it says most relevant, click that. And then right here, go to top reviews. This will tell you what people are really liking right now. Let's see here. We got extra large leather journal. We've got story machine, a novel planner for writers. I already know what I'm going to do because I love it. Personalized gift for writers. This is a writing candle. She's writing a best-selling novel. It's a great idea. Junk journal, letter writing, stickers for authors. I love the idea of doing stickers. Let me see. Female author bookmarks. That's a great idea. Oh, just regular notepad. Look at these, just regular notepads. Super cute. A mouse pad. So tons of stuff, tons of options. Oh, look, a brainstorming tool. I want to do a brainstorming tool. That's right. Okay, good. So I'm going to select a novel planner, but you can go ahead and just do your research and figure out which option you want to go with.
Step number 2 for how to sell blank notebook journals with Canva AI without using Amazon KDP is to design your notebook journal in Canva. Design your notebook journal in Canva. The reason why I recommend doing this in Canva is because the amount of tools they put in our hands as authors, as writers, as artists is extraordinary. If you can thank it, you can do it in Canva. And let me tell you, I started working on my first book in 2008. I didn't publish until 2009. If you heard my story, it was really, really hard trying to figure it out. It took me a long time. But in 2008, the only design we had was Photoshop and Illustrator. And when you're using Illustrator, you had to know how to use something called vector-based images. It was hard. And before I learned Photoshop for myself, I had to hire illustrators to come in and do Adobe Illustrator for me. To this day, I haven't figured out Adobe Illustrator. I still can't figure it out. But Photoshop I'm pretty good at, praise God. But Canva is better than all of that. Canva is better than all of that because it's so user-friendly. So just use Canva. They've got the templates for you. They've got the elements for you that you can add. They've got the AI for you that you can generate stuff based off your own ideas. And most importantly, you can match it exactly to your author brand so that your stationery matches the type of books that you write anyway.
So I'm going to show you how to design your stationery using Canva. It's absolutely incredible what they've got. So when you go to canva.com, click on templates, and then just search Well, search what you're looking for, right? So I'm going to search novel writing planner and take a look at what they've got. Ooh, look at this cute guy. This is very cute. That's actually kind of perfect for me. Let's just see what else they have very quickly. Oh, this one's very nice. And this one's 3 pages. That's very nice. I think I'm going to go with this one because I love it so much. It's the same here. Oh, this one's pro. I'm on the free one. So I'll just click it. And then you're just going to click here, customize this template. So this is stationary. So I do want to make it black and white so that it's really easy to print at home. So I'll just change this to novel writing planner. Maybe put that here. Make this super thin so that it's not going to make them use too much ink. Get rid of this little guy. This can all pretty much stay. And the only thing that I would want to actually add is some lines for them to free write. Oh, let me change this coloring as well. There we go. Good. So I'll go to elements and I'm going to go to line, make my line very thin. That's how I like to design my stuff. Get the sizing how I want and then just duplicate it. Now that I have that, I can change this to what I want it to be. So I'm actually going to change this to title. I'm going to change it to the stuff I think you need in a novel. Theme, log line, setting, world, and goal. And then we'll have protagonist, we'll have antagonist, contagonist. Oh no, actually I'll put contagonist over here. Contagonist. We'll have major plot points and A story, B story. Excellent. That's my stationery. How cute is that? Now I can make some little cute adjustments to it to make it really branded. So feel free to do that. But just for the sake of time, I'm just going to leave it like this. And then it is a printable. So I'll just make, let's say 7 of them, 6, 7. Excellent. And then I will just go ahead and rename this. So novel writing planner stationery. And I'll just download this, download PDF print because it's digital, flatten, and then download. If you want to sell this as a printable, you would make this at least 40 pages and then upload it to either press.barnesandnoble.com or Lulu Express or Amazon KDP or Ingram Spark or Publish Drive or any other print-on-demand platform. And then you would sell it through your website and then print it and ship it through that print-on-demand platform. I'm going to show you the digital one because you get to keep more money that way, but you can do both.
Step number 3 for how to sell blank notebook journals with Canva AI without using Amazon KDP is to list your book for sale on your website. List your book for sale on your website. So I'm showing you the digital printed journal, the digital printable, I should say. But remember, you can do this print on demand. Just use press.barnesandnoble.com. You guys have seen me demo that a few times on this channel. But let me know if you'd like a separate video showing you how to do stationery using the printed format. But this one I'm just going to show you the digital so people can purchase and download right away and start using right away. So you're just going to list it for sale on your own website. Some of you are going to hear me say that and say, oh my gosh, I'm not techie, I'm not techie. Listen, what I'm going to show you does not require you to be techie. It is one of the easiest website building platforms I have ever seen in my life, and I have been in the game since 2008. There is nothing like this. And so if you are somebody who want to have your website up and running in a day, not a week, not a month, not a year, a day, just follow along what I'm about to show you. It is a game changer for every author.
I'm so excited to show you how to build your website quickly using AI. A huge shout out to hostingjoy.com. They have sponsored today's video and they've given me a discount code for you guys. Go to hostingjoy.com/godlywoodgirl. Go ahead and pick your plan. I love the business plan. You get multiple websites and the best thing, 0% transaction fee. So when you make a sale, you actually get to keep it. So go ahead and click choose plan. And then what I love about Hostinger, the longer the period that you choose, the less you'll pay each month. So if you do the 48-month plan, oh my goodness, look at this. Like if you were on Shopify, it would be $29 per month, no matter how long you're on there. I love that about Hostinger. They reward your longevity. And you'll also get free additional months included when you do the longer period plan. And then over here where it says have a coupon code, click that. and type in Godlywood Girl, and shout out to Hostinger. They gave me a 10% off coupon exclusive for you guys. Just put in Godlywood Girl and it'll take 10% off your order. So go ahead and click continue. Once you are on this AI builder page, go ahead and put your brand name and what you do. So I'll say stationery for authors, and I'll write I sell stationery and notebook journals for authors that help them get their book done. And let it add the online store, and then click create a website. You're going to see how quickly Hostinger makes your website. It's so exciting. Look at this. Oh my gosh, there's even stationery. You see how quick Hostinger does this? It's absolutely, I've never seen anything like this before. It's absolutely extraordinary. Oh my goodness. So once you have something you like, because you can always create again if you want a different version, but once you have something you like, go ahead and click continue. The first thing you want to do is add your product. So click here, add product. And then mine is going to be digital stationery, but if you're going to sell physical, then just select physical. Mine is digital, so I'll select digital. And then here, you're going to love this, okay? So upload your image of your stationery and watch what Hostinger does. They have an AI product description writer. It's so cool. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Okay, novel writing planner. Organize your novel ideas, unlock your creativity, and streamline your novel writing. Look at this. Like, they just wrote it for me. They wrote it for me, which is so cool. So I'm going to keep everything the same. My price, yeah, sure, $10 sounds fine to me. And then I'll upload my stationery. I'm going to pretend with the PNG, but really you should have a PDF download. And then 30 days. And I like to turn off show related products, but that's a personal preference. And then click save. Now you're on your product dashboard back end. Go ahead and delete the other products that the AI created for you, but they're great ideas. So consider making them for sure. I'll just click delete, and then it should just be your product here. Then click edit website, the top right, and then you're just going to design your homepage. So Hostinger is what you see is what you get. This is our product for sale right here. Hostinger is what you see is what you get. So you literally click and edit, click and edit. So I'll go up here and put stationery for authors. For logo, I'll change this to text and I'll put author stationery. Home shop, I'm going to get rid of this page on the left. I'm going to go to pages and navigation, journals, and then just click delete, delete. And I'll get rid of the contact page, delete, delete, even though it's great to have because it builds your email list. And then right here, watch this, watch this. Go ahead and click edit image, click replace image, click free images, and you can get any image you want. So if I search author, look at these. Oh my goodness. Okay, I like this one. This is so cute. And then something I like to do, if you go to style, I like to turn down the opacity to make it much brighter. Look how gorgeous that is. I'm going to delete this button and this button. I'll click edit button, change this to page, and go ahead and select your stationery. I'll probably change this to shop. These guys I don't need. And again, Hostinger is what you see is what you get. So all you got to do is just select and delete, select and delete, select and delete. That's it. I deleted everything. And now just hover and move up. And that's so cool. You can make this look exactly how you want. So right over here, I don't need this section, so I'll just hit delete. And this is fine, but I actually like to add this full section. So click here, add section, then select online store on the left, select single product, and it'll automatically put your product. So I actually like this wider screen better. And then just click edit section, layout. Mine is landscape, so I'm going to select landscape, but you can make it original, you can make it square, you can make it portrait, completely up to you. And I'm just going to exit out of there. So now I don't need this section, so I'll just delete that. I don't have reviews yet, but once you do, come back and add them. So I'll just click that. And last but not least, you'll want to connect your socials. You want to add your business contact information, never your personal. I do recommend always leaving the email box because then you can always be growing your email list. And this is our stationery website. How cool is this? So I'll click save and then click preview. We have a stationery website, stationery website. This is so cool. So now I just have to do my marketing, and send people here to go ahead and purchase. And so they can purchase on this main page or they can go to shop and they can purchase here. Either way, they'll be able to check out and purchase my stationery. So if you'd like to get started with Hostinger, go ahead and go to hostinger.com/godthewoodgirl. Use discount code godthewoodgirl at checkout to get 10% off your entire hosting plan.
I am so excited to see your brand new stationery business. Once you get your website up and running, please put the link, please comment the link down below. I'm excited to be selling stationery. If my stationery business is up and running at this point, I will put a link in the description box. If not, make sure you follow me on my God the Wood Girl vlog channel. I'll be documenting the entire process. And don't forget, if you haven't yet started your own author business online, like you're just kind of writing books as a hobby, but you want to turn it into an actual income stream, make sure you watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge where I'll show you how to do it step by step. Go to christianbusinesstoolkit.com. And if you haven't yet written your book, come join me in the God the Wood Girl faith-based author school where I show you how to write and self-publish your own books from literally, you don't even have to have an idea yet. I'll show you how to even get the idea all the way to self-published book available for sale. Go to christianauthorschool.com. God bless you, my love, and Jesus willing, I'll see you in this next video.